I felt like I was hitting this crossroad in my life where even though the success was happening for me, I just felt like in my personal life, I was missing something. Like I've been living in LA for 7 years, grinding nonstop. I've been, with no end in sight, like just constant motion, just go, 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 go. It's always been like that. Even to think about like the early days, like how much work we were putting, like I can't even imagine doing that all over again. It was crazy. But I think the thing that was bumming me out the most was like the things I was missing with my family. Not getting to see them that often. Like I'd always put work over traveling home to go see my family and shit. And I'm really close to my family. So it always sucked not having that. And my mom calls me and she's like, yo, dad, we just took him to the hospital and now he's going into this emergency surgery in the morning. And like I fucking dropped everything, hopped on a flight, flew home to Iowa. I was there like 6 hours later. My dad goes in there and finds out he's got brain cancer. So that shit, like, I don't even know how to describe that, bro. Fuck. So weird doing this with my friends in the room. That shit puts things into perspective. I did not care about anything else having to do with work or none of that shit. And I think it just dawned on me that, like, what the fuck's the point, Like, what's the point? I probably sound crazy right now.